Okay, for number 3, the chords will come faster. So let's do another 6/8 one. Let's do the one right before that, so number 15. And I'll do the arpeggio thing. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. And on top of it, you can strum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or you could do another 6/8 pattern. You could hit diamonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. The idea is for us to stay together, stay in time, and you're offering up a different texture because you're capoed in a different place, and possibly a different strum pattern. So here we go. I'll do the arpeggio thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat.